She won't tell you where we're going.
We're going to the tailor to get his
No, not to tailor, to tailors.
So I was having my buddy at the shop that I worked at, Taylor. I was having him help me make these jackets so I could film. I think it looks alright. But anyways.
Yes, sir. Let's do it.
So probably about a year ago, Romney asked me how long I was going to grow my hair out. And me just being dumb, I said all the way, which isn't a length, but I thought it was funny. And so I started using all the way as a response for most questions. And I don't know, I think it's kind of like a good mantra, or it felt like a good way to live my life. Go 100%, do 100% in anything that like mattered to me, or my passions, So I thought I'd make some jackets like all the way printed like huge on the back and have like little like elbow prints because I thought it was cool. And so cool. So I was having my buddy at the shop that I worked at, Taylor. I was having him help me make these jackets so I could film. The idea of the video is I was gonna show you guys like the process of how to make these jackets, or kind of explain where all the way came from and what it meant to me. But before I could finish the jackets, I actually got fired. I got fired for filming in the shop. Long story, kind of dumb, but it turned out it was a good thing because after that I was able to focus more on YouTube. But I didn't have any way to finish the jackets. So I picked up a part-time job at a different screen shop. But I mean, it would be nice if I could like quit there, get my own shop, and focus 100%, just like really 100% on just creating. So kind of as like a fresh start, I shaved my head, and I don't know, I think it looks alright. But anyways, and I'm starting a Patreon, and what it is it's a monthly membership for you guys, where you guys can get extra content from me and like exclusive rewards. And so like there's different levels of those, and like the higher level, you get like all the lower stuff plus like better stuff. So some of the rewards are like access to like bonus content, the sticker sheets, patches. I'll do like Patreon exclusive giveaways. I'm making like this felt pennant thing that says all the way on, like a monthly live stream, like Q&A / what the next project's gonna be. I can do some shout outs just as like a thank you for you guys who are here right now. What I'm doing is for the whole first like month, no matter like what level you guys do, I'm gonna give you guys a free sticker, like one of like the Pilloway stickers. I'm gonna go make that real quick, and then all the funds from it is you're gonna go towards anything that's gonna help me just focus really just on creating stuff for you guys. So I mean, I'll put like links somewhere. So I mean, you guys could just like sign up for a month and then like bail, but I'm gonna try to make it worth it for you guys to stick around and keep supporting me. So cool. So with you guys' help, hopefully I'll be able to do this thing and maybe grow my hair back out all the way. I mean, either way, I'll grow my hair back out. So cool.